Hello students, today we are going to read our remaining chapter uh, subject and predicate, chapter 2. When the predicate precedes the subject. In a sentence, generally subject comes before predicate. However, sometimes a sentence is inverted to lay emphasis on the predicate. In such a sentence, the predicate comes before the subject. वैसे जनरली होता ही है बच्चों कि जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो प्रेडिकेट से पहले आता है, बट कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि कई सेंटेंसेस में कुछ कंडीशंस के अंदर जो प्रेडिकेट जो है सब्जेक्ट से पहले आ जाते हैं. जिम सेट अंडर द ट्री, जैसे कि अंडर द ट्री सेट जिम. The dog came down the stairs. Down the stairs came the dog. Some flowers are in the vase. In the vase are some flowers. Bill said, "I am hungry." I am hungry, said Bill. Rewrite the sentences, changing the order of subject and predicates. Never again will you do that. आप इसे सब्जेक्ट ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं. सब्जेक्ट पहले लाएंगे तो यू विल नेवर अगेन डू दैट. रेयरली हैव आई ईटन बेटर फूड का आई हैव रेयरली ईटन बेटर फूड. हार्डली एवर डज ही कम टू क्लास ऑन टाइम. ही डज हार्डली कम टू क्लास ऑन टाइम. डी है अप जम्प्ड द फ्रॉग का होगा द फ्रॉग जम्प्ड अप. E में never have I seen such a mess. I have never seen such a mess. Scarcely had I stepped out when the telephone rang. I had stepped out scarcely when the telephone rang. Hardly had I reached the station when the train departed. I had hardly reached the station when the train departed. No sooner had she heard the news than she started crying. She had heard the news, then she started crying. Here comes the chief. The chief come here. In the race remained 15 cars. 15 cars remained in the race. Today we have completed our chapter 2. So students, you can do practice in your home. Do exercise 1, 2 in your copy. The copy will be checked when school is open. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.